Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics in place, so start by updating iOS and signing into your Apple ID. This gives FaceTime the permissions it needs. Once done, make sure your network is stable and date and time are set to automatic. FaceTime validates activation through time and network checks. If you have a carrier SIM, confirm cellular activation. Next, toggle airplane mode on then off to reset radios. Prepare to open FaceTime and follow the on-screen activation prompts once these prerequisites are verified. Now focus on the activation flow. Open FaceTime and toggle it off then on to force a retry. This triggers a server handshake. If it still hangs, check reachable addresses and ensure your phone number and email are checked. Once checked, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the phone, then sign back in to refresh credentials. Make sure you accept any carrier or SMS permissions. Activation often requires a silent SMS. If prompted, enter verification codes promptly to complete the exchange. Finish by restarting the iPhone to apply all changes, then open FaceTime to confirm the green toggle and your reachable addresses. If activation fails due to SMS or carrier blocking, contact your carrier and confirm SMS provisioning. Some carriers block activation texts. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear misconfigurations. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so rejoin networks after. If none of this works, escalate to Apple support with screenshots of error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.